Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Pukwal.
Kevin, where are you from?
I am Myanmar.
I love your magic. I love your magic. I love you.
Sophia.
You're just good. And you're cool. And you're different.
I love your magic. I love your magic. I love you.
You know, it's amazing to see you now so emotional, because when you were doing your show, you were so in control. You looked like you were like so present, everything. It was spectacular.
Good. And you're cool. And you're different. We've seen a lot of magic over the years, but you did something different. I could tell how much this means to you, which I think is amazing. And you're slick, and you're Vegas, and you're very us, and I really like you.
The image of a little boy sitting in his home with his family and his parents watching America's Got Talent, and then years later, not only being on that spot that you watched, but rising to the occasion and rising above that occasion. I think you just had a career and life-changing performance.
Thank you.
Let's vote. It's a yes from me. Heidi.
It's a yes for me.
Sophia?